Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a seasonal holiday glam. This is perfect for the fall season and this is great for the holidays that are coming up. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you know when my next video goes up. It's a mixture of high-end and drugstore. I don't think it's nothing that you can't get your hands on. There's some items that are limited edition, but I think they're still in stock. I'm gonna go ahead and link them down below. Also, I did my face off camera. All I did was basically spot conceal because that's what I've been doing lately. Let's just go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So I've already done one eye just to save on time. I'm going to be dipping into these two palettes here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and this is the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Friendcation palette. From the Anastasia one, I'm going to take the color Burnt Orange, which is this light peachy one right here, and I'm going to take that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease kind of high up. I'm going to bring this up really high because I want the eyes to look nice and big, and it's okay if you get it, you know, anywhere underneath. That's totally fine. Just make sure you get it nice and high up. Also, I am putting a little bit on the outer corner with a brush that doesn't have any product on it. I'm just going to blend up here a little bit. Next color I'm going to take is Realgar, this color over here. Take it on that same brush and on my dupe color switch. I am going to just dip in that and do the same thing and kind of just like focus it in the actual crease. And also putting that on the outer corner. You can also use a smaller brush if you have smaller eyes. Like this one, it is the Luxie 231 Small Tapered Blending Brush. I'm used to working with fluffy brushes, so I'm able to place the color where I want it. Going into the Friendcation palette, I'm going to take this green and it has like yellow gold shimmers in it. That's a swatch of it right there. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm going to take that on an Ulta, just a flat eyeshadow brush like this. And I didn't spray my brush either. So I'm just going to start packing this all over the lid, kind of just doing short little stroking motions. I thought about doing this as a cut crease, but then I was like, no, I want this to be super easy. Just be aware, if you're going to use a shade, be careful, wear like shadow shields or put some translucent powder, like a lot of translucent powder. And I'm going to bring it back this way, not all the way, but we're going to stop about 3/4 of the way in. The brush with no product on it, I'm going to just very lightly kind of like blend that out a little bit so it's not as harsh. In that same Friendcation palette, I'm going to take this warm brown shade over here. I'm going to start on the outer corner and I'm just going to pack that there like so. And then I'm going to start dragging it into the crease. I'm going to go back to that bigger blending brush, dip into that same color. It is called, oh, I didn't even tell you. It's called Cheens. So the lid color, that green gold flecky one, is called Dirty Money. And then this brown shade, matte brown shade, is called Cheens. And if you feel like you've lost a little bit of that dirty money, you can always go back and pack some more. But I would probably use some glitter glue so that way it actually sticks down. I'm going to go ahead and wipe my bake. Back to the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to take that light peachy shade, Burnt Orange. It's that matte shade from the palette. Color switch. Take that on my Luxie 231 Tapered Blending Brush. I'm going to put that on the bottom of the lower lashes. I'm going to make sure that it connects back up here to the outer corner of the eyeshadow. I'm trying to get that technique down where the eyeshadow kind of wraps around the eye, not where you have the top and then you have the bottom. I just want it to like hug my whole like perimeter of my eye. I started trying to do where I connect the lower eyeshadow to the top. In that same palette, I'm going to take the shade Realgar, which is that same matte orange shade, on that same brush, and I'm going to put that also on the lower lash line. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Fergie highlighter. It's called the To Reflect Shimmer Palette. This is in the shade Hollywood Boulevard, but currently it is being marketed as Boozy Brunch. So you can still find this highlighter on the shelves. I'm going to go back into the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. I'm going to take Tempera, which is a satin cream shade. I'm going to take a little bit of that and I'm going to pop that underneath the brow for our brow highlight. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. And then before I apply my mascara, I'm going to use on my lower waterline from Beauty For Real. It is called Eyeline 24/7 Eyeliner in the shade 24 Karat. I feel like it's the same color gold as the Flex in the eyeshadow. So it just came out to be so perfect for this look. So that's a swatch of the eyeliner right there. It is so pretty. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. And I'm not going to be doing any wing liner or applying any falsies for this look because there's a lot of people who just honestly don't have the time for it, or people like myself, to be honest, who have not perfected wing liner. Like, I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love wing liner, but I just don't have the time to sit and practice. Alright, so that completes the look. This look is very appropriate for the fall and holidays coming up and whatnot. Like, I'm just obsessed with greens. I've been loving these two palettes lately. They are so good. Ugh, so good. Everything I use is going to be linked and listed down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.